So we're going to look at the identity matrix. The identity matrix is where you've got this multiplicative identity for your real numbers to be 1. So any number, a times 1 equals a, right? You guys know that. 1 times anything is just going to be that anything value. So we are going to be looking at the identities under here in this box. So if you see that we've got this identity matrix, it's an n by n, which is, however many terms by however many terms. It's an equal square, and it consists of all ones on its main diagonal, and then zeros for everything else. So if you think about reduced row echelon, you reduce it into the sense that it's an identity matrix. So it's something equals a specific number. There's nothing else with it. So don't worry about it necessarily right now because we will get to it, and you guys will see what I mean by this. So just bear with me. You have technically seen this. We're just identifying it as the identity matrix.